Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or hide specific Google calendars. So if you hover over the left panel, find the calendar you're interested in, look at this little box to the left. If that box is checked, any events on that calendar will be shown on your screen. If you don't want to show events from that calendar on your screen, simply uncheck the box. You can also hover over the snowman, and then you have a couple of options. You can display this calendar only, which will make all other calendars temporarily invisible while it's only showing events from this calendar. Or you can hide this calendar from the list, which will mean it won't show up. You don't have to worry about it. So you have a couple of options in terms of which calendars you want to display while you're looking at your home screen in Google Calendar.